To speak English easily, we must understand the purpose of why we are learning the language. Once we know why we are learning, we can tailor our studies to fit our needs. Say for example, if we want to learn English for business purpose, we must focus on vocabularies related to business or international trade. Or if we are learning English to travel internationally, we must focus on vocabularies related or used in airports, tourist destinations, or travel locations. By understanding the purpose, we can set realistic goals and create a customized plan for learning the language. Hi, my name is Chanda. Welcome to my channel. Be confident. Here I help you to take yourself to the next level. So let's begin. The most important thing is that you need to find a way of study to keep yourself engaged and not make your schedule a hectic one. Instead, make your language fun and enjoyable so that you can learn easily. If you are a beginner, you can try reading children's book. You need not buy heavy textbook challenging you to learn English within 30 days. No, we cannot learn. I don't think so personally that we can learn English in 30 days. It takes time, it takes practice. The more you practice, the more quickly you grasp new words and phrases. So initially we can buy children's book and start reading the book. Children's book contain lots of pictures and the letters are written in bold, so we won't get distracted. Even the stories in children's books are very engaging and interesting. I personally find very interesting to read children's book. Even I at this age study children's book. Or if you are not so good at reading, try listening to stories in English. Nowadays, there are lots of information available online. What we can do is search for stories online in English and listen to it. Just close your eyes, lie down, put your headphone on and listen. Even listening can help you develop your spoken skill. Keep trying hard. Whenever we start something new, a time comes when we might feel that we must quit it. We can't handle it anymore, or it is beyond our understanding. But we need to keep practicing. Practice is the only way to make ourselves move ahead. We must stay focused. Initially, we might not succeed, but gradually, even without your consent, you might be progressing gradually. Last is active listening. How well do we listen is an important factor. We must listen to understand and not just hear. Now we have to understand the difference between understanding and hearing. Hearing is we can just hear and forget whatever the speaker is telling to us. But understanding means we have to remain silent and just listen, focus on what the speaker is telling to us. To improve our listening skill, we must practice on active listening. Now, how to practice active listening? I have made a video on active listening. You can go and watch the video. Hope all of this information that I have shared with you is useful for you. If you are a beginner or if you have just started to learn English, try to watch English video. Do not go for Hindi videos, because Hindi videos you will understand because you know the language Hindi. But if you watch English videos, I am not telling you to watch only my videos. There are plenty of content in YouTube. You have to just go to YouTube and search for English videos. You will get thousands of videos. Choose any one of them and just listen to them. The more you listen, the quickly you are going to learn. Understand these things first and then focus on points that I told you. Hope these points are beneficial for you. If you like the video, do hit like the fat button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you.